Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2019 Triumph Street Twin. This bike has approximately 9,100 miles and is offered for $84.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is part of Triumph's collection of their kind of classic old school cafe style bikes. In addition to the stock features on it, it has the rock guard for the front headlamp, also some nice engine guards on the side. The nice suede seat on it, super comfortable, great look. The color is matte ironstone. In addition to that, there's also a nice little luggage rack on the back. Bike's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change, safety check on it, and it's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 45 to 50 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.